For the past couple of years, I've kept my inner circle very small. Unfortunately, as I've got older, I've naturally detached myself from a lot of people that I was once friends with. And dependent on the path that you take, people will just end up going their own ways. But despite this, it's not a question of who you lost, it's much more important to focus on the ones that stayed. Because for me, as much as I have no enemies, and I'll absolutely be friends with pretty much anyone, I only need a couple of really close people that I know I can actually trust and be a representation of each other.
Money, Paris, cannot take off money, Paris. All I want is money, Paris, cannot take off money, Paris. All I want is money, Paris, cannot take off money, Paris. All I want is money, Paris, cannot take off.
Whoever that you surround yourself with and spend most of your time with, you're inevitably more likely to become like that person. And if you're someone that's on the path to try and improve yourself, but you've got mates that you know are behaving in the opposite, it can make it a lot harder of a process. But when you have the right people that you know will push you, people that will get at you if you're slacking, or just be there to give you the drive that you need, those are the people that, if you have the luxury of being close with, will help you accelerate in your own growth much quicker than if you're on your own.